Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can make the money in Black Desert, okay? Now silver makes the world go around in this game. You can basically check how much silver you have, okay, by just going to your inventory. But if you want to buy the endgame gear directly from the central market, without actually dealing with the, enhancement system, you need billions of silver. So here's the absolute best way to make money in the Black Desert, okay? Now guys, first of all, you need to keep in mind your season gear gradation. So you cannot make endgame money with this beginner gear. You have to max out, first of all, your season character, okay? You need to get the pin to buy gear and you need to graduate. This is gonna give you like the baseline AP, also known as attack power, required to enter the mid-game profitable zones. Okay, so that's very, very important. Okay. Now, second of all, you must pop your loot scroll. So before you actually grind, you must activate an item collection increase scroll from your pearl inventory. So you're just gonna have to go to your pearl inventory and you're gonna have to set it to level 2. And that is basically gonna drastically increase the amount of trash loot enemies drop when they die. So you're just gonna, go around just killing enemies, kind of like that, okay, attacking them. Okay, and they're gonna drop like the loot. Okay, so that's very good. And it's gonna be increased rate. The third advice that I want to give you is to grind the meta zone. So with around, let's say, 240, 260 attack power, I recommend you head up to Centaurus here in Valencia, okay, which is going to be around the north area basically, or you can also head to the Tortuga ancient ruins, okay, and these spawns are going to drop massive amounts of lightweight trash loot, so you can just kill the mobs in a tight circular rotation as fast as possible. And keep in mind that these are gonna like rotate daily, so you can, of course, you can kind of farm them. Okay. Now, guys, I recommend you also liquidate your drops. Okay, so you take the thousands of trash loot pieces to a standard vendor and sell them for raw silver. For these, I recommend you go to basically the central market in your map in here, and you just sell them here. Okay, to a vendor. Because the different rare drops like the Kaffir stones and the black magic crystals are gonna give you a maximum price in the central market. Okay, so yep, that's pretty much it. And well, I actually forgot to mention something, guys. While you actively grind, let the game make the money for you. Okay, so you can spend your contribution points and actually lodge in on different nodes. All right, and if you sell these materials and these nodes, they're gonna give you a lot of money as well. Okay, so yeah, just let the game work for you. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.